Okay, Dwight, so you are going to go into Florida Virtual and log in, and you will go down to the tone lesson, which is 01.05, and click on the first option to get to the lesson. You can review the terms if you need to, on how to like just determine the tone of a writing or a piece of text. So that starts on page 2. Okay, so they have some activities there for you to practice and kind of get familiar with some of the ways to determine tone. This is what we took notes on: diction, imagery, details, and syntax. So you need to write the definition down of these in your notes. So an acronym to remember these is DIDS, D-I-D-S. And just to help you remember, that's how you find out the tone. So you can practice and kind of look at the examples here. And then if you go to page 4, it says when we need just the right word. Now that you know how to determine and create tone, and again, it's using DIDS, take a look at the following words to describe. And we did a practice one as in class. But if you scroll down, you can kind of see an example of how they determined this piece. So here's the text, and they determined the tone of it by looking at the diction. And so here's the diction that the author used. So you can use that to help you if you get confused on how to do it on your own. When you are ready to do yours with the letter that I gave you, on page 5 of 5, it says use this DIDS worksheet. So you need to pull that up and either print it or save it. If you save it, it will let you open it in a Word document so you can type directly on the document. So I kind of went over this with them, but you can just double click these little boxes and type in the title is I Am Very Real. And we read the letter together, and then we figured out examples of diction, which is word choice. You'll know that once you go through the lesson. So what are 3 examples of powerful words that he uses in the letter? So you'll be able to see that after you read the letter. To find the letter, you need to go. Where did this attach to it? So if you're on that page 5 of 5, you'll scroll all the way down, and I've posted the letter here. So just read